Happy Sunday. Good morning, everyone. I thought I would just pop in and chat a little bit about what's going on, and I want to show you something super exciting. I got for my birthday a new knitting bag. Oh, it's an Attenti bag, and I don't know, I hadn't seen this pattern yet. I thought it was super cool. And what's very fun inside the bag is something I've been working on, which I wanted to share with you. I know I haven't put up a video in a while, so you haven't really seen this one in progress, but I think I've put up a couple pictures on Instagram. But this is the flax sweater. See it back here. This is the body done. I just have to pick up the sleeves, and it should be wearable pretty soon, which I'm excited about. This yarn is Mystery Girl it's a Yowza by Miss Babs, and I love it. But I think that it was really fun to knit. You can see the colors. And it has like a springiness to it, which is really enjoyable. And I think that the sweater pattern, and because it's on size 8 needles, is actually knit up pretty fast. I think I started this in January, and you know, I don't knit every single day, even though I should, but I don't. And I mean, it really does feel like it kind of flew off the needle. So I think it's a lot of fun. And I'll be working on those sleeves today, so I'm really hoping to wear it before the cold weather is over already for the season. But yeah, so I've been working on that. Let me see in here. Do I have anything else in this bag? I still haven't finished the sleeves from my So Faded sweater by Andrea Mowry. So I have to do those sleeves too. But now I think if I'm all about sleeves, I'll have 2 sweaters done pretty soon, because the bodies for both are completely done. I don't know why. I have such a hangout about sleeves. I would rather, honestly, cast on another sweater and do the body than do the sleeves. I don't know what it is. I don't know why it's such a hurdle for me to like do. But yeah, so I have to bite the bullet because I have 2 sweater bodies that cannot be worn. So I will be doing those sweaters forcefully. So I know since it's been a while, I haven't done a video recording in a while, I thought I would dip into an interesting little tidbit, which, by the way, I'm a huge fan of this book. I don't know if anybody's ever read this book. Comment below if you have. I really enjoy this. It's Knitting America, A Glorious Heritage from Warm Socks to High Art. And I just think it's so fun. It really takes you in through the history of knitting in America. But it has a lot of pictures. It has historical knitting patterns. I think it's a lot of fun. And something that I wanted to share with you today is right from page 17. It's a reproduction of Washington, our first wartime knitter, and it was printed sometime between 1900 and 1920, and it shows Martha Washington, George Washington's wife, knitting amidst a group of women who were all gathered around chatting. But it's a lot of fun. It's in the Library of Congress, the original. What else is going on? Vogue Knitting Live was amazing. I've actually never been to that before, so that was my first time going. My mom and I went. We had a blast. It's right in the Marriott, right in Times Square, which is a really cool, really exciting, fun place to stay. You just like walk right out the door and you're in Times Square, which is super cool. But yeah, I think we took a couple classes, which were very thorough, really, really enjoyable, instructive. They were great. And then just walked around the marketplace in and around our classes. But it was nice. I feel like it was more about classes, which I enjoyed, than maybe like going to like a big outdoor festival where it maybe is more about vendors. So it was great. I had a really, really good time. And that was just a nice time to be in the city for a little bit. But yeah, so it's just been a whirlwind since the holiday season, but I've got a lot of projects that I want to do, which I wish I could, knit more and that things would go faster, but at the same time, I enjoy the process so much that it doesn't bother me that things stay on my needles for a while, because I love just picking up something and knitting on it for a while. But at the same time, I have so many things that I really want to do, especially I feel like when we go to events and you're just bombarded with new project ideas and amazing colors and yarn, and you just, you know, I just want to work with it all. And then you're like, oh, I'm still working on this sweater. When am I ever going to get to do something else? But at the same time, there is such a joy in the quietness of picking up something that I'm enjoying working on, that I find satisfying. And I really like doing these sweaters. So the So Faded and the flax sweater really what I've been working on, you know, recently, and it's just been a lot of fun, and I can't wait to wear it. Though unfortunately, both of these sweaters I think have come out too big for me. So it's funny, my mom is joking that I think the So Faded sweater is really knitting a sweater for her because it's too big. I don't know. I'm gonna see like when the sleeves are done and everything how it hangs, but it looks pretty big so far in putting it on with just the body. And the flax sweater, I think I don't know, I measured it, I knit to the number of inches, but it's too long. It just hangs super long. So I don't know, I have to see like when it's done. But I've loved making them, and I don't know, they're just so exciting to me. Sweaters are fun. Just like for me, socks, like the life that a sock takes on, like when you're knitting. I don't know, I'm obsessed with sock knitting. But anyway, oh, and check out these super cute little, well, I call them hats. I guess they're stitch mark covers. How cute are these? They're little hiya-hiyas, little pandas knitting pink socks. My dad got me these. It's so cute. But yeah, otherwise, just knitting away. Hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great Sunday.